Hi peeps, this is me Nida Nabila. I'm from Communication Science Class D with NEM 2510411134, and I think Indonesian culture is incredibly beautiful and full of life. What amazes me the most is how diverse the country is. Every region has its own tradition, languages, foods, and ways of celebrating important events. Even though Indonesia has so many different ethnic groups, people still live together with a strong sense of unity. To me, Indonesian culture feels warm and welcoming. I love how traditions are passed down from older generation but still stay relevant today. From traditional dance and ceremonies to everyday values like hospitality and respect, Indonesian culture teach people to appreciate diversity and stay connected to their roots. It's something I'm really proud of, and I feel lucky to grow up in a culture that's so rich and meaningful. And if you ask me, have you ever participated in a traditional Indonesian ceremony? Of course, yes, I have. I once took part in a traditional ceremony called Unduh Mantu, which is the part of Javanese wedding tradition. The ceremony is held by the groom's family to officially welcome the bride, and it feels very warm and family-centered. During the event I attended, the atmosphere was full of excitement, relative gifts, and everyone dressed beautifully in traditional clothes, and there were many heartfelt rituals. I watched how the families exchanged blessings and how the bride and groom were guided through each part of the ceremony. It really showed me how important family, respect, and togetherness are in Javanese culture. And the next question is, what is your favorite Indonesian tradition? My favorite Indonesian tradition is definitely gotong royong. I love this tradition because it shows how people can come together and help each other without expecting anything back, whether it's cleaning the neighborhood, preparing for a celebration, or supporting a family in need. People join in because they care about their community. What makes gotong royong so special is the sense of togetherness it creates. It reminds me that even in modern life, where everyone is busy, we still have the habit of supporting one another. It's a tradition that teaches kindness, cooperation, and empathy. I think it's one of the values that really represents Indonesians' heart. And for the next question is, can you share a moment when you felt proud of Indonesian culture? One moment that made me feel truly proud of Indonesian culture was when I attended an international cultural festival. Indonesia had a booth filled with traditional costumes, dance, and food, and so many visitors from different countries were excited to learn about it. I saw people smiling while watching Indonesian dance, asking a question about batik, and even trying Indonesian dish for the first time. Their reactions were full of admiration, and it made me feel proud of how unique Indonesian our culture is. It reminds me that Indonesian traditions are not only meaningful to us, but also appreciated by people around the world. And then for the last question is, can you describe a traditional Indonesian celebrations? And I will describe about Lebaran or Eid al-Fitr. Is one of the warmest and most joyful celebration in Indonesia. It marks the end of a month of fasting during Ramadan, and the whole atmosphere feels special. Families wake up early for their Eid prayer, dress in their best coats, and begin the day by visiting relatives and neighbors. And one of my favorite parts of Lebaran is the tradition of halal bihalal, where people ask for forgiveness from each other. It feels sincere and refreshing, like everyone gets the chance to start over with a clean heart. Of course, the food is also a big part of the celebration. Is ketupat, opor ayam, rendang, and all kinds of homemade cookies are served everywhere. For many Indonesian families, there are also mudik, when people travel back to their hometowns to reunite with family. Even though the trip can be long, the excitement makes everything worth it. Lebaran is not only a celebration, it's a moment of togetherness, gratitude, and emotional connection.